Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create lightning effect on CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select a video or a photo you like to edit, and here I already have one project with photo. And how to create lightning effect, I'm just going to make a copy this image, save on image and select copy, and select second one, and I'm just going to make it as an overlay. Just select overlay button and adjust for the position in the same position. And I'm just going to add effect, select effect and select video effect and select nature and select lightning effect. So good check marks, and you are just going to select the overlay and select splice and then select burn. So just for the option opacity to 100 and click check marks, and here we go. This is the final effect. Effect, go to fake and adjust for the duration in the same lane, and here we go. This is the final effect you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.